Welcome to BrainPod AI's tutorial series where innovation meets understanding. In today's video, we're going to dive into an engaging guide to create an article using BrainPod AI tools, bringing the future of technology to your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this tutorial will take your skills to the next level. Let's get started. We can create articles in different ways using these four tools. Let us have a quick overview of them each. First is article workflows. Here we offer a comprehensive workflow to help you create high-quality articles swiftly and efficiently. The process of this is streamlined to ensure your articles are not only rich in information but also SEO optimized. So if you're creating an article or a blog post, you can use this by entering your own title here if you have one. You can also let it create titles for you. Just describe the article of what it is all about. Then add the keywords you would like to use and be present on your article and click search. After a few seconds, you will see all suggested titles here on the right. Once you have selected one, hit Create an Outline, and you will be directed to a subpage. Here you can see its suggested outline for your article. You can add also another subheader if you wanted to. Edit one or delete it if you'd like. When you're finally satisfied, hit that Create Content button, and the result is created under My Content page on the first row. Sign up today. It's completely free with no credit card required. Go and visit brainpod.ai and discover how our generative AI can revolutionize your content creation process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the platform. Happy writing!